Hi, welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use the machine learning classifier in IDQ Pro. This feature performs classification of 3D datasets using machine learning algorithms. The training is conducted using a single file. To start, you'll want to open a file. Before we get into the machine learning toolbox, we want to first create a label. We're going to label a single class. We'll have 3 options for this same class and click Apply. You'll choose your tool, and I'm going to draw 3 ellipses indicating that these are all part of a single class. Save, and I'm going to call it right leaf. Now we have created a label, which we will use in the machine learning toolbox. You'll click on the machine learning tab and click on machine learning classifier. You'll then be prompted to load the label image that we just saved. You'll have the option to choose from a variety of methods. I'll choose the first one, and you'll click Train a Model. It has now classified this as the leaf, and we will now classify the new dataset, which is the original leaves file that has both leaves and not just one. As you can see, it's done a good job of classifying, and this second one is the background. For more information on this toolbox and the methods used, visit idcubes.com/documentation.